already demanded documents. The free bear 5 months in here. Okatakyie will go to jail. Or chila document biograph. No one was who court. Or the defamation court. One chila document. After assembly bubu onwa. After the was it young document mention. Ewa bra wa gbe ke to ase dwie. So
Ejebo eja enya bedru. Finally Okatakyie Afrifa mesa bonsu. Concerning defamation case Kevin Tira ne papa na okakaben ando FRA against him no. Aiza eba yese Afrifa edi nkunim no. Na ye nyina ye din etwen se Afrifa omra mechire mu. Court case no omra mechire mu sen NDC ye. Omu court ruling na etese eye dai kana court ega se wono edi nkunim. Abusia ene for the records Afrifa aba bekasa ba bechire asem no senior ezisi ye. Omu court room hono no senior ezi call ya ema ono edi nkunim. Aba bechire mu aha Penyah block media mesro say any dey obe like if video no that room obo subscribe and click the notification icon for latest updates na bechire wa adwen dey ama me e wo comment section so baso no achi video mo for so enya bi ahye 2023 ana Kevin Tira eri papa na okakaben ando eri Afrifa court Accra High Court omo se yes Afrifa akasa amana no akotia Kevin Tira papa ene mo mujina so eri board code ba ako eri say one was it Kevin Tira papa ikura oni ngwa tete or irresponsible father because say nobody Kevin Tira see enya no ni wesi obi atem dia ne papa no oni eba tete that is one. Two was it Kevin Tira papa e Nana Flowers Kevin Tira papa e Nana Flowers na na oti adwam a Nana Flowers waguru di ho fi. 3 ose akonya ne kura na ayo do akonya na Kevin Tira papa tso kura na ka akonya enya ne dia but Nana fa kuntira se eye ne bi na tames hye na chikutupa ene onya akonya no ebedi ye but akonya na nka enya ne dia oya se na ka akonya no enya ne dia. 4 ose Kevin Tira papa eye criminal oye criminal se oye criminal eti nema we nyina enu hwe so everybody kwadu e wo Accra High Court I say otitrani a otimo for 37 so no ana case e wo nsem eye Justice Efreda Emidenchi of Accra High Court Jurisdiction 5 only nsem ana asem no from 2023 no ana asem ma twene sire eni abasa na 2025 ya ba week ago ene hu se Afrifa aba no Facebook no ba twere se case na Kevin Tira eni papa FRA against him no nyamyadom asenye akwawe na ekwawe no ono wadi nkunim ama sika na ka Kevin Tira papa eje no eye 10 million Ghana cedis that is sika no 100 billion no court abo sika na twegu ama court asha Kevin Tira father say omuntia 8,000 Ghana cedis efampata Afrifa 80 million efampata Afrifa na eba ye no Kevin Tira ebe reply ma Kevin Tira ka say Okatakyie fans umajimi Argentina Afrifa so wa win case na one fa court statement ametre ese wa win but I say one fa court so e be ama ordinary no pines wa win ti Kevin Tira we di Afrifa and influence attempt omuni munyansa etia de Nana Vietnam eke bia no agidi na we say ene ana Afrifa so e ba alliance ne nsem no obetire nsem how Kevin Tira ne father esi no court ruling how esi call ye ene de ye kwa na court e ka say ono Afrifa wodi nkuru bia you go take for the records emra
Yenye church defamation defamation no yes obi papa call court kana for because me chira mo ko obi papa ko e ko take to ko e ko court na court case no never defamation na chira oyele Nani panay 10 million. Ay, obedi akodi. Tinko ti play mo ba? Ano ko rin rajaj. Ay. So ano yes how? Sabe bebe oini. Ti aviye bi chire. Na manfuati defamation na se. Chire mo ene. Se defamation ko ye dai. Ni e ko court ndi ni si wo court ko. Sabe bebe. Tennessee. Ay. Tennessee court ko. I've had demanded documents. Hey, Bobby, I've had demanded documents. The free bear 5 months in here. Okatakyie will go to jail. Or chila document biograph. No one was who court or the defamation court. One chila document. After assembly bubu onwa. After the was it young document mention. Ewa bra wa gene ke to ase dwie So why do you get to idea? Say court ma ruling. You train kakra and send a judgment about.
Precisely so.
Because there must be deep writing of the judgment.
Exactly.
Obi, also on the chest, yes, sir. After yen chirim, 2023. And our branch here, you ama apaputela, kitchen boy. And was here didn't papa. Na say obi a baby am ekoko ene ya. Obi, it ni papa the year court. Defamation. Na me medical catch them. Say asem pie no make kan kronmu abisuru. And am wa lawyer for. Then say judge mo say da bia no shine shoe. Ti akosu asasante. Ono so saa o wo mo ye ni ade bebre. A lawyer for no. Bebre. Pound for pound lawyers.
Exactly.
It was ya no so they make court. Na me dey am fa court nwura. Dabi o. A lawyer for. Akai. To a court no. When him say 2 years no almost no. O man di court case na chiada. Tienio. Change of government ba ya. No mo sha sia near. O mo file. Say. Eti dia ya ne se uko do court wa kofi ya kase defamation kwa se kire se obi a defame obi a dia wo ka kire court ne se dia di kan me kwa Afrifa me kofi kwa akọ me aye bill me ti society mu na me wani monyam ma bobredu baabi se bi society ni bume me wo ba ma ware me wo dibre bi na me ye adwuma bi e discover me na asumasi asem a waka ana watworo. So when it comes to defamation, there are 2 forms of defamation: either libel by writing or slander by speaking. It will cast some chirobia. Sasam the betimi ayese a defamation. Ebu okura wa money penidi. Nemo na samu a wokan ye no. And now we draw cartoon bi. Sa cartoon in the right thinking members of the society na dwene no. Omo hwe ye wan omo dwen say ye no. Se wan money di kwa na se ye dwen say ye akosua dia. And ye friend innuendos. So another form of defamation. It is a wo court. One of the cardinal principles of defamation is say obeba be gina dakem. Ni atoto ano. Afa mrantie wo mo se da bi on papa de on mane ma dakem. Besuma lawyer for you ready twem. So be bad dakem. Chenio. Also manema. And I will call court unless you don't understand the processes. Your civil procedure. So there is a substantive law and there is procedural law. It is civil procedure. If you want to follow the processes, you won't get there. It's your fee, no. Now, so more, and I'm a lawyer, or more file, any file, yes, any idea. So when you're sharp lawyers, or my goodness, and I hear any idea near file, said there must be a representation. More than some begin other came. Yes, two man, if she had 2 way, maybe I have a catch record, so when we and so maybe an maybe a chamu repeat 13 years a collabi. Society in him, so repeat 13 years a collabi. Maybe an amateur to a crowd tones as many permumians. It wouldn't be said your walker. See, they make you. A mama example. Say ebia na waton sa se kura mani pa mienu miensa et society yenim se wo kronfo ebi kura na position e kura wo no enya wo dia na mo abusua bi ye ni na wako eti ukoka kire court no a esa court ni timi je wo ba court ni na be gina da kem ni ye hwe witness credibility ye hwe wo demeanor asana court no ana o mo se da bi o mo papa mba tie ni ye wo After the end can want to say, yeah, you file your defense because substantive matter na kasi ya marshal. We are doing the prelims, your file application. Then quickly, omo movie here emotion say, omo pe default judgment. Tie the entire no yes say. Aye. Papa, ko ticket to case ye be wi. O na be ka kire manfo ni say ko ticket to case ye be wi yes sir. E wa bra na case ni kwa substantive matter ni enko so. If say court for defamation, and there are so many defenses for defamation. It could be a fair comment. Any other thing is available to hear the defendant. Could be. So at this point, when this guy thought that, you file a defense, and quickly, movie, yes, pay default judgment. Default judgment, and they say, Saudi Asamako court, next will be filing a defense. Never Brennan so. No, catch the court is one filing a defense here, and your court, mammy, a judgment. So this is what this guy did. On any lawyer, no movie motions or movie default judgment.
But there are court cases. So Supreme Court ruling, it is binding on the lower court, Court of Appeal, and High Court. There are several Supreme Court judgments. It emphasizes say when you file affidavits of claim and the lawyer for you cannot come back and ask for default judgment. Affidavits of claim, and this is pure knowledge in law, right knowledge in law. After a movie or and yet now Adia Cheney about ruling on the whether or not on the default judgment now branch yaba who are better a warning judge say judge and set it up. It's when himself funny now. I did not even knew say a judge and no abema warning. So me most watch to am see we were kind of or co after will be it may finding out judge just for me to know say oh yeah judge no better case in this one no panel Justice Elfrida no and I call we run it's insane and you see what me run president Danny there is a video all warning Mahamani Julius the Brane be okay. This guy kept on saying, so for me, what kokotwa? Now they can't court me. What the court will remember me? And he kept on lying to the people. We will go jail. And I may say, without any substance, and there was so bizarre for day. Judgment in the Yama and the home. You better go jail with your mouth for. They won't walk Sakwawi. And you go when you file for a year affidavit of claim, you don't go back to the court and say that I want default judgment. This is simple knowledge. And I'll call you and I'll court and say, unless offer procedure, not so proper procedure. And some procedure, no papa bet another came. And was said no panel. What do you remember? After me and Jim remember
from the president to the last person in the NDC, I'm not scared of anybody. Me, I am not scared of anybody in the NDC. We didn't wait for you people to come and continue the same nonsense. From the president to the last person at Jubilee House, who is in charge and condoning this nonsense. And I've directed this to the Chief of Staff's office, Julius Debra. The last time I mentioned your name. The reason I'm mentioning your name is because I know that your office, the things you people are doing there, I don't agree with it. Maybe the president haven't heard what I'm saying. Take it to him. If you don't take it to him,
hold on. See the stupidity and the buffoonery in which he is ordering a chief of staff. Maybe the president hasn't heard it. Take it to him. See the way this guy is ordering Julius Debra about. Maybe the president and you, Julius Debra, I am speaking to you
because the last time, look at him.
And there's a character who says he will take matter to court. And when you run, make everything. It's almost filing for default judgment. Court now moment default judgment. Now swap yentje one and no the man this for.
That your job as the chief of staff, and how many chief of staff do you have? You have an advisor to the president, Valerie Sawyer. You are also part. I'm sending this message to you. Take it to the president. Callistus Mahama, you are the secretary to the president. I'm sending this message to you. Take it to the president. Aya Standobi, I am sending this message to you. You people, the president is too busy, and if you people think you don't want to send a message to the president, I will find a way to send it to the president. But I'm sending you 4 people. If anybody thinks they are big,
hey, pause. Look at the demeanor. But I am sending you 4 people. NDC, wait. I'm sending you 4 people. If you people don't take it to the president, I'll find a way to get you to the president. Ne papa. Osman ne papa. Ayo do my Nana Flowers. They are cockers of Macamio, not 10 million going any hookies. Now go fear the back on say, what's me court? Na ebia ye kasa we kromfo. It will say there be a defamation. Ba ko drua. Ebia na ye kromfo na ye. Na ye rapist. It court no ye provision na ye rapist. Court no be ka say there be. Deserve it. Ebo akura no ultimi nya defamation no. But who ask for 10 million? Ba court no betimi ahwe on Flowers ntoma ya ufrefra. Also ebia mema 1,000 Ghana. Say the anas ne ka Japan de ye. Eti we no ni ade no. and one also was sending Julius Debra. Look at the way he talks to them. Well, I better say you to America. I'm ordering you. Send them.
You people should walk out of the Flagstaff house. Nobody get time for anybody. For now, I'll make it sound like the president hasn't heard it. That is why I've mentioned names. Julius Debra, I've mentioned your name. Valerie Sawyer, I've mentioned your name. Callistus Mahama, I've mentioned your name. And I've mentioned Standogbe. You four. I don't want to hear any of you are involved in this nonsense. And in 24 hours to 48, 72 hours, by Monday or Tuesday, changes needs to be done. Into nobody should think, say,
Danny Unifiso. So this is a Jataban of the Befield. Obey Romo. When you need Obey Romo. I'm ordering you. Oh, the Julius Debra. Now, me Julius Debra, me need Juma. And you are one of the boys in a year, you know. It's been Cassentiana. Also, the board, they cannot respect. Oh, I'm ordering you. I see. A court case in the Okoi. Processing in here. Now, go fi. Say, Opesi, yes, our tour case in this one. Just was our Kwashasi free. We got free legal education. Sa Kwashasi, bra. Now, for Papa Badakim. I know you want to make us Papa Badakim. I know the hey, you wouldn't remember. Oh, so the case is not finished. Now, who asking for default judgment? And then Chiremon want to ask you, who are going to hear Radiname? Okay, so Daniel Gori in Ghana, default judgment is a legal ruling in favor of a plaintiff when a defendant fails to respond to the court summons or enter appearance within a prescribed time. This judgment is based solely on the defendant's inability to respond, not on the merits of the case. So that's it.
Precisely.
And in the case in India, default judgment no movie. They are too good. And I know 10 million. 10 million be any. Why were down? 10 million be any. See, I have 10 million. Na case no ne papa nyane papa na wako to we na person we again say this thing na dem say me no ka say was send a text message to a Zoom lion threatening Zoom lion say Zoom lion akasa nkyere Paul admo kyere or no say guy we will go dirty on Zoom lion.
Look at him baby.
Owie ye no apapo say or control and I will go dirty. And oye no na say bremiska yes adia
no yes ko de we do that there on top papa ni ba ro che brompi what is guy
ompi ewu depression frustration
ti no better can process
Cooper Chase na no ko ba Ghana no nya bitu NDC win no so Cooper Chase da wey Santa ne Lacos na ebe miensa blue one no asesa kwa yi NDC win ye ya no washa ase hyehyɛ ne shirt ebiebie ne ko machi de bo kwase ase etu Cooper Chase obi NDC win ye ya and wo hunu change
oba wa ntop papa biasa
Krasini wey no Australia no de nipa etitire si wo di hunter for atem
Such a character.
more fire.
Edi mumisa ne say the court case no particular court case e ko si say
Say the others who said
na document no be kire but you see there is a video na oka kenofori atase da bia am catch him say this guy oye ifo oye callous oye deadly and any quantity na sa kwa wi anke ma ba tudon so aboro no say mo si di matem o fa delay di na tem no di delay award di na tem o timi fa na ya abrefo na sabi kofi anka na ya abrefo yare na ni wumbu be kuno cancer betom na se sabi mpraduasa na ya abrefo ko yi ne cancer ani wum sabe yo benya nkwa yetimi yade wa siri nipa unless we are poor we are callous na yes ade obia wona ne suma semu delay ana delay ngoi na menua bema se delay ko ne mpaso a esu osu kire ne nyame wonim wasa ti me fa dipasi wo ade ayayade ehye wo mo ne asoso nkwase asem wo journalism Obi,
Oye.
to me first akodi ayire. We did dinner time.
Oh, fire.
Ni asoso so say journalism. Afia pokuya. To me twa afia pokuya da pass. Na bia kan na yere ne kunu kwase ampani na ne kunu abeka wo.
Baby.
Na afa be ka kire mo say akwa we or edited documents. Now says what Jimmy wa adwini mo ha. O ka say you don't even think Ave muntie de obeka or ka for atasem and was or request say yamfa you or request my hospital no emfa krata bi mra no but sa krata no wo de muntie no.
I'm going to follow this up. I'm going to get to the bottom of this. I'll bring you all the facts. The lies Akadoforiata is lying to people. It's a hospital natural letter where they will let us know. And we will let Ghanaians know. I don't have anything to hide. Any response I'll get, we are pushing from another angle with some facts and some details. Anything we get from the hospital, I will not edit to one thing. I will put
Hey. Danik Jina, Kuachika Krabine Jina. Mum pay attention to words no issue, no govi. Already, he is very good at editing stuff to suit the oye. Also, the refinity. I say anything the hospital sends, I will not edit one thing. So question you busa say other ones in the way edit. Now we crown Oka say I will not edit it. It means why edit here. So prejudice my argument. Answer. Kwasiasi. Munche
some facts and some details. Anything we get from the hospital, I will not edit to one thing. I will put everything out. And then we will all, at the end of the day,
It was anything I get, I will not edit one thing. The question is, sir, or edit be I will not edit one thing. Anything I get, I will not edit one thing. Editor in chief. Now, ne yere no. Or your chief editor of a New York Times. It was just yes, or yeah, trainer in Manila and a PDS, WhatsApp chat, or editing. I'm catching him, or your colors. It will catch as anything I get, I will not edit one thing. It's the end I will edit to be free. Mumusano. Mumusano, yeah, and what not getting more honey or Casa on winning. Nana no betrayal. And I know yes, who soon say. So we can try. And the dear Ben, a year, Ubebu with them. They say, Madani Ananias and Safaria, says Safari, Ananias and Safari. A boa. Now will be chatro. And a sebi previous of Ubu good them. Oh, woo. A man that's a dissuading answer. What can we be and come who you're that? Said you see chatro good nipaso. Said your branch you see chatro a good nipaso. Obi? A coseme, a branch you. When you let many brains so. Obi? That's been previous. Obi Rakwa was now woman sembibri. Now branch away a callous to a point to say. One day, me yere bakura ne say ya. Ye tia branch yo ya. Na asemo kan ne say, "O yere kwa o ma ya no awu." Na de kura no kura no enche bia obewu.
Just look at that.
Is that what you wish for people? This what. So that day, me sure say the me yere re ho no. Obi. It was Adam say, "Ah, so this is what this guy has been doing to people in their homes." Kofa agona ma hima besi Obi. Now hima nya ne hwe bia. Good anymore say, na ma repino. Ana na what Jimmy?
Oh, hini.
Good animals you put all. Oh, say Obi a tratra. The Marepi Agunama, and my essay, no my essay. Oh, we know the Agunama picture better. No, I yeah, and Agunama my repino, and ye betuno, and a fine.
Is that the issue?
Yamibe kum was our way. Only idea man for catch now.
More fire.
Said you abuse people in their homes. Nyame be kum. Sika dwa be kum. Cause who abuse nkrofo. Said you abuse ma e ma. Said you na we oni yire papa bia. Cause wo yire papa. Said you see abuse ma. Obi.
Fire.
Oh, the way I man no budget me so kuma se no. They feel liberated. Na ko ai business former. Na kan crofone your marche. Na rewo mu. O sad won be si wo twoma da pa. Na monum kankan, na mu fi, na mo e de anko no.
More fire. More fire.
See to. Me si me gina oso sa.
Powerful.
Gina oso sa. Me ana mo horo me sama saba. Zoom line won dress kama net. On dress kama china. O china chika ho. O so po bi na kokod because ya cast. Me na me cast. Me fa me kokod. Side the defamation na ba ko order. Sa pa ko ka ho.
Fire.
Wo dwan. Na me be tia o sa branch we ka.
Killer untia.
Me se killer we dey kill ntia.
Killer untia.
Good. Good. Don't be pessimistic. The way I go is abuse ma okroma pa odwene ho a ene we unya na fefo ma he support sankwase
Fire.
na fefo ma o
Fire. Oh, mon so man is no more fire.
ento en kan wo dan eti no odidi ma tem wani je no the beba ho one day
More fire.
and when you have a feel of it you understand why as abrant you me say me Bobby, there's a court case ruling was said if it was Assisi time you would have seen what I would have done to you. And I want to repeat it to him. If it was Assisi time you would have seen what I would have done to
More
you.
fire.
Exactly.
Okay, then Bokwami Shiramo. Yaba Sumo. And I had the DBC. Any day, anytime, my name still remains Okatakyie Afrifa. I came, I served. I'm a nondescript radical reformer. And surely shall it be till today, till the end of time. Akwane sign out as Gigim. So I was why Gigim. See you too.
More fire.
Never say share. Bye bye.
Try your mama ever comment section. I Penyah block media.